This is LGQ70 and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. So to begin with, launch settings, enter the Google category over here. First step is to get rid of all the accounts that are linked to your device and visible over here, if there are any, of course. You can do that by tapping over here, then going into manage accounts on this device field or page. In here, enter each Google account you have added and remove it like that. Once this step is out of the way and you have no Google accounts linked, we can start the actual setup procedure. At the Google page, enter the parental controls section, get started, child or teenager, next. Once you are allowed to proceed, tap at the Add or Create Account for a Child option and respectively either log into prepared Google account for a child or sign up for one. I have already, I already have the account ready for me, so I'll just need to enter the email address first, then password. Then proceed with the Google sign in as you would normally. Then choose the account that we have just logged into from the list over here once it appears, of course. For some reason it doesn't at the moment, so well, I guess we'll have to wait for a little bit, which is not a big deal at all. Or probably there is a fair chance that we will also, yeah. Alright, so let's redo the whole process real quick. Maybe this time, yep, it appeared over here. So just select it from the list. Onwards, we will also need to enter the credentials for the parent's Google account as well, or the Google account that you will use for supervising the child's activity. So enter email, enter password, at the following page, scroll it all the way down, enter the password to the child's Google account once again, and tap at the agree button. Then activate, wait until parents and child's account will be linked. Click next, then more, next. Then next once again. In here, so there are basically two ways you can proceed to. So if the device that is written in the bold font is the one that you'll use as a parent or supervisor, you can tap at the blue Install Family Link button and the needed app will get automatically installed. If that is not true in your case, just skip and install the Family Link app manually from the Play Store. In my case, this is the device that I was intending to use as parent, so I'll tap at the blue Install Family Link button. The download process should start on my Motorola device. As you can see, it did. Once it gets downloaded and installed, I'll just go ahead and launch it. In here, make sure to, while logging into the app, make sure to choose the correct account, the one that you have earlier identified as parent's Google account. So let's wait for the app to get started. It might take a while. Maybe it will be better if I'll relaunch it. Sometimes it lags like so. freezes like so, so no worries, I guess. But this time it really does not want to work. Finally, I'll take my words back. So in here, as I've mentioned, make sure to choose the correct account, then tap continue, and inside the app you can basically configure, monitor, change, set up the child's activity and a lot of aspects. So let's again wait for the app interface to load. Here it is, finally. So you can set up data limits, in particular set some downtime routine, change app limits, and monitor the app activity of your child. Apply content restrictions for the following list of apps. Configure account settings, manage devices, see your child's current location. Also, review the child's device usage highlights. And that will be pretty much it as far as setting up parental controls on this LG device goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.